Hey there, ABC Trainerize family. My name is Nathan and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to set up free trials using ABC Trainerize and Stripe. Now, this is a fantastic way to attract new clients and give them a taste of what your coaching is all about without having any sort of commitment. So let's dive right in. First things first, we're going to want to make sure that you're set up with our payment processor, which is Stripe. And the way to do that is head to your payments and follow these steps here for integrated payments. Now, if you already have a Stripe account, you would just be creating a sub account within that umbrella account. Or if you're new to Stripe, it's free to sign up. You just have to input all of your banking information and personal information there. Keep in mind, it can take a few days to get verified by Stripe. So just have some tax documents ready or any business documentation that includes your physical address and your business name as well. Now, assuming that we have that done, we're going to head to our products next. This is really where the magic happens. We would start by adding a product. Let's call it a 7-day free trial. Oops. And then down here under payment type is where you would then see the ability to do a free product. So let's just say I have my 1-week trial here. Now, there's some really cool things you can do here. You can sell it on trainerize.me, which is our landing page that helps connect potential clients with trainers in any given area. You can also limit it to new clients only. So if you want this to be the first experience you have with somebody, that's great. And then the beauty of this is that you can set up these automations to allow the client to experience just exactly what it is you want them to see in the app. So for example, I could assign them to a trainer, and that could be any of us, or you could even just have it as a general business account. You could have them subscribe to a trial program, which is where I would definitely recommend doing. That way they get workouts, messages, all these touch points already pre-built that you've done beforehand, and that just runs automatically. And then the other thing we can do is tag them so that in the future, if you want to communicate with these people who've done your trials, you can come back to them and send a mass message. And if this floats your boat and you are into nutrition coaching, we can include a PDF here as well, or maybe this is just some helpful resources around your coaching. And then finally, you have the option to give them access to a group chat. And that's really where the community comes out. Maybe you even do a challenge as a free trial. That's where you're going to run that. So keep in mind there is the ability to edit what you do with your first purchase and what happens during their first product. So just differentiate if it's somebody who's already a client and you want them to try something different. This is where you want to modify what happens for them. And then finally, as the trial ends, do you want to remove them from the app? So this is an option to change them from somebody who can message you to someone who's on basic mode, which is essentially they don't take up any seats. They still have access to the app, but really they can only get messages about what's going on in the app or what's going on with your coaching, and they can still purchase programs from your products if they want to. And then anything you've subscribed them to, you can remove from their profile. So with that done, make sure you hit save. The other pro tip we want to leave you with is to include some sort of auto message within their trial so that when the trial comes to a close, they're not just sitting there going, what do I do next? You should already have sent them some messages explaining what their options are. So under your master libraries here, you're going to go to master programs. You would hit new and build out a phased training program. So I've just pulled up one here as a sample. And then you're going to go into your calendar here and take a look at some of these messages that you can send. So for example, on day 3, I might schedule a check-in message that comes from me as a coach and just encourages them to communicate with you what they're enjoying, what they're not enjoying. And the other cool thing here is that as you go through, you can include discount codes or even product links that take them directly to one of your other checkout pages so that they can purchase a program moving forward. So just important to go through this series, make sure they have a series of workouts scheduled, and then also have things like running, cardio, auto messages, or even progress tracking if you want to get them doing that early on. And then last thing to note here is that if they are on a free trial, they will take up one of your active client seats. So in other words, you may have a pro plan where you only have up to 5 clients. Even if they're on a free trial, they will take up a seat. So make sure that you're prepared for that influx of new clients, perhaps by purchasing a larger plan or getting something just for the time being, and recognizing that you can always purchase or upgrade plans at any time. So with that being said, that concludes our free trial demo. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to our help team at trainerize.help@abcfitness.com or leave some comments in the below and we'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.